Um, there's also a few other things that are bothering me, and I decided to put this in a different video. At this point in time, it's going to be, I would say, about 7 days before everything is somewhat back into working order. There's so much we have to change over, but I just wanted to elaborate in another video on why host time really messed up. See, the thing is our financing system only allows for lease equipment. However, we've been working on a financial model inside the company that allows us to purchase equipment. Okay, so basically what I'm saying is a two-step process. A government or private firm puts up a certain amount of capital, say like $6,000, $7,000, $10,000, $10,000 being the most. And then a leasing company provides an equipment lease that pulls money out of that guaranteed capital, which allows us to do a much higher equipment lease. And some of the equipment that I want to build is state-of-the-art to the point where it's going to cost, keep in mind that we'd be purchasing close to 100 of these for just the maximum capacity model. But the maximum capacity model at 100 servers, I'll find it here for you. Maximum capacity at just 100 servers is going to be roughly $408,000 a month. Okay, we're talking some serious money here for what I've finished. The problem is that's at maximum capacity. Obviously, it's going to take quite a while to reach maximum capacity. But the thing is when I first started this business, I did not have the capital that I needed to grow substantially, which is what I was afraid of the whole time. But I tried to kind of sneak under the radar for a while until the point where it started growing by the hour. And when software starts growing by the hour, it's real easy for the software to get out of sync with the finance. And for this business, I didn't have like substantially large amounts of credit that I could tap into because I'm only 24 years old. The problem is I've got all this stuff in line, but it's going to take time for me to organize and put everything back into the way the finance model is supposed to work. And for us to leverage these credit lines, we need someone with substantial liquid credit to be able to back up any of these things that are taken out. The problem is that's pretty much the main problem. So we don't even have to worry about that anymore. It's all gonna be organized within the next few days. The problem that I'm having right now is what happens when we want to go higher than that. So that's going to be another step, and I don't want the network to go down at any point in time anymore, ever again. I don't ever want this to happen again. So I have to learn from my mistakes. So basically, if I want to build a DDoS protected cloud network, which is what a content delivery network, then this is going to have to be done perfect. Everything's going to be hand done. All the network stuff is going to be hand configured. I'm going to do all of the configurations. Down at Stone Mountain Data Center Complex, they've got level 3 dark fiber running into the facility, and if it's in pretty much the new facility that we're moving into has IPv6. As of right now, it's not completed IPv6. However, it is IPv6. So one of the biggest problems that I had with our old data center host time is that they weren't IPv6, but it's still a new technology, but it's going to become the standard as the IPv4 addresses are running out. So I've got that kind of stuff in mind, and everything should be good. It is a content delivery network, so it's going to be, at first it's going to be 20 servers here, 20 servers there, 20 servers there, 20 servers here. It's not going to be anywhere near maximum capacity. However, the system is designed to deliver content at a very high rate of speed, and the speed is also optimal for the area that the content is being delivered to. So all this stuff is being thought out, so this never happens again, because I never want the servers to go down again. However, when you move from just a couple servers to a content delivery network, there's a whole lot more setup that's involved. Like I said, we'll get all the regular shared hosting and all that kind of stuff back on the way it's supposed to. However, we're going to have a much better time helping our customers out when we own the equipment's owned, it's not leased, we own it, and after everything's set up, we will have a really good foothold to really grow substantially and never have downtime again. And one of the best parts about a content delivery network is when you have a content delivery network, there's so much equipment backing up the system, and our system will have failovers, so even if a hard drive does fail, it's instantly repartitioned on another system. So I just want everybody to know that there's a ridiculously large amount of network design going into all of this. It's extremely complicated. It's a lot more than, I can present the plan and I can get the money for this, but then the API has to be coded. So remember, I'm the coder. I'm not some big white-haired finance dude. I just write the code. So I'll definitely work as hard as I can to get everything back online. And all of it, like I said, all the major everything except the dedicated servers should be back online within 5 to 7 days. And from that point on, we should be all right. But all the dedicated server clients, I will be able to get your data back. That's not a problem. Other than that, there's going to be a lot of free time given out to people if they want to stay. You don't have to stay up. Obviously, you can log in, download your data, move to whatever host company you want to move to. But at this point in time, this step in the road was inevitable. It was going to catch up with us. We started growing substantially, and we need to move to a better type of network that can support all the customers that want to be part of our system. So, thanks for watching, and hope you guys have a good New Year.